Right, guys, it's a wet, horrible Monday morning here in the UK. Derbyshire I'm in, so all the UK guys will know what I mean, where I am. So we've found a little woodyard, lumberyard, that kind of thing, like a small business, and I'm going to give it a try. I bought some plywood off them, sheet goods, last week, and the service I got off them was fantastic. The prices were good. They dropped it off, brought it in for me, couldn't be more helpful. So, you know what? It's only 2.5 miles away from my house, and I didn't know it was right on my doorstep. So it just goes to show what's on your doorstep. But come with us. Let's have a look round and see what they've got to offer. They said they've got loads of wood, so we'll go down. I'll show you around a sort of UK small business woodyard and see if you like it. Oh, if my fan starts. There you go. Right, go on. Right, so we're here, Ilkeston Ply and DIY. There's the website and the sat-nav if you want it. There is a phone number, but you can get that off the website. So you just turn into here. It's like a sort of semi-industrial estate sort of setup. Small business, about 2.5 miles from where I live. And the purpose of sort of this today is, like I said, is I ordered some plywood off one day last week, and the service I got and the product I got was absolutely superb. So I thought I'd give him a try. I was asking the driver what else they do and all this kind of stuff. Said they do everything, so I was naming wood after wood. He went, just come down and have a look. So today, this is what I'm doing. Nice little setup, little sales counter here. So we'll just walk into there. There's everything. Oh, they've got a Milwaukee. Do you know what? I've not got any Milwaukee tools. But, people keep saying try some Milwaukee stuff, but I've never felt the need. There's screws. There's everything you could fit. Do you know what? This is one of them places you could just walk into and you want something and you're going to get it. You just are. There's everything. Look, chisels, snips, pincers, whatever they're called, screws coming out your ear holes. So if you've got like that odd job you need like a odd box of screws, here we go, Milwaukee pack out thing there. There's everything. Again, brie wax. Oh, see, sometimes you shop sort of on Amazon and that kind of thing, but coming down and finding what's near you and helping support these sort of small businesses is really good. And they've got everything I need. Everything I need for what I need to do, they've got it in here. I'm amazed this is on like 2.5 miles away from my house. Clout nails, I could have done with some of them a couple of videos ago. My Wonder Wipes, I've got some of them, but now I know I can get them from here. Just having a look round. There's everything. And this is only in the sales counter, this. So all your different types of beadings and all that kind of stuff there. Very well stocked, that's what I will say. And no, I'm not sponsored by this company to come down and do this. Not sponsored one bit. I am putting an order in with them for some wood and I'm paying for it. So, there's nothing like that. I'm not sort of bigging them up or anything. I'm just showing you. But look, all your outdoor sort of fencing sort of wood there. Well, I think that's what it is. I've never done any fencing, so I wouldn't know. But I'm assuming that's what that is. All sort of treated timbers. It just loads of it. And it's nice to see it's well stocked. You come down and you want in, you're doing a project on your garden there, and all the sort of like stuff that needs to be undercover is well undercover there. Just everything. So as I was walking round here, it was like I was walking sort of into little rooms and into little spaces, and it was just wood. Every bit of wood you can imagine that you'd ever need, you'll find it. And there's Shelley, she's looking at everything. Hello, Shelley. So like I say, I have placed an order with these guys, and they're going to deliver it for me. The driver that delivered it to me, the plywood last week, he was so helpful, and it does just make a difference. And that's a small business thing, isn't it? That's, you know, you get these small businesses that are like the engine rooms of sort of the economy and all that kind of stuff. You need to support these. We can forget sometimes. We can go on to Amazon, it's dead easy. I mean, you're not going to get stuff like this at these prices at Amazon, but what I'm saying is support your local businesses like this. Now, these are based in Derbyshire, in Ilkeston, but, you know, you'd have to go on, if you're sort of local and you want like some sort of cutting room there, and they do cut wood for you. They ripped my plywood down for me before they even brought it. So if you ask them nicely, they will do that for you. So it's just everything, everywhere. Everywhere you look, there's something different, and it's like amazing. You've got all these like rooms going off in different directions, and it's smart. Some hardwood there as well. It don't appear to have a lot of hardwood, but it's nicely planed up. That looks like a bit of, is it Supplier and a bit of oak down there? I'm not sure, but it's mainly all softwoods, sheet goods, that kind of thing. But there's loads of it. You know, if you're doing them odd jobs in the house and you're just wanting the odd piece of wood, here's where you come, innit? You know, just take a drive. They'll cut it down for you. You can throw it in your car, or bring a saw, something like that. If the guys are busy or something, you know, it's easy enough to do. Look, just wood everywhere. And the overriding thing here, well stocked. Very well stocked. And it doesn't show it on the video, but it was busy as well. I weren't going to film people walking about or members of staff or anything like that. That'd be sort of like rude of me to do that, and I'm not going to do that. But it was busy. There was people buzzing about all over, you know, buying what they need, and workers doing what they do. So you got doors in here, you've got, it's just everything you can imagine. You not get all this at the sort of like a big box store, would you? Like your B&Qs and all that. You know, a better price, better service, and you're supporting like a local economy. You're not sort of helping a big corporate global tool sort of thing. But anyway, here's some more sheet goods in here. The plywood I got off him was excellent. You'll see what I've used that for on Sunday's build, the next video up. So there again, nice big saw there, table saw. That's theirs, that's for cutting. So again, I mean, you can see the quality there, it's good. I couldn't show you prices because the video would be too long. Well, let me know in the comments what you think of the place, and if you're in the area, give it a visit, most definitely. I'm happy now. Right, that was quite interesting. That, as you can see, don't know what you guys will make of it, but I found that really interesting. There was something for everybody in that yard. So if you just wanted one bit, two bits, a small bit, a certain bit of floorboard, you know, bit of skirting board, bit of architrave, whatever, door casing, everything is there. And although I didn't get the prices in the video, because the video would have just been too long and stuff like that, but I have put a link to the website and stuff, so you could go on there and ask them prices. I'm not sure how far they deliver. I'm in a place sort of in between Ilkeston and Ena in Derbyshire. So I don't know what the radius is where they deliver, but you know, you can give them a try. But for you guys, that I'm not going to get a delivery from a company like that. That just goes to show, like, a small sort of timber yard, lumber yard, you guys in the States and Canada call it, what we have. So it was nice there. I am going to put an order in for some wood, and they're going to deliver it to me. I had to open a trade account with them so I can get a little bit of a better price, all that kind of stuff, and deliver it. And yeah, I'm over the moon with that. So rather than ordering, like you see the pine I use a lot of my builds, I have to order sort of like a bit of bulk at a time. I can order just what I need for when I need it. So I'll probably order once a month to get me through that month to do all the YouTube videos with the pine and some bits I've got to do in the house still. But yeah, in the comments, let me know what you think of the little lumberyard down the road from me. I loved it. I thought it was fantastic. Small business, employing local people, like adding to the economy, all that kind of stuff. That's what makes things tick, isn't it? So anyway, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to support us, you can join our memberships. I'm going to be adding regular videos to our memberships. I'm going to be opening a Patreon, so I'll let you all know that. I'll keep you all informed with that. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. You're all absolutely amazing. And from me, or should I say, from Shelley and myself, I'll see you next one.